ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In the Naikarmya Siddhi, in the Moolam we saw Tasmat Tad Apanuttau Dvaita Anartha Bhava. So Ajnana Apanutti, removal, when it happens, then Dvaita Anartha will be eliminated. To remove that, you need Mahavakya Jnana. Mahavakya Jnanam will happen through Pada Padartha Jnana. So the one who knows Pada and Padartha will know Mahavakya. Therefore, Vakya Vyakhyanaya Adhyaya Arabhyate. For explaining the Mahavakya, this third chapter has been initiated. Tika, Nanu. Nanu tarhi ayameva adhyaya arabhyatam kim atitena dvitiya adhyayena iti ata aha. What was the objective of doing other chapter, second chapter? You could have started with third chapter. Ayameva adhyaya arabhyatam. What was the need of dvitiya adhyaya? Kim atitena yadaha pada padartha abhignasya. तस्मिन् वाक्ये यानि पदानि ये च पदार्थास तानि प्रसिद्ध लक्षण अनुगुण अगुण प्रसिद्ध लक्षण गुण वृत्तिभिः तांस चतुर्विध चतुर्विध अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम अभिजानत एव भवति। वाक्यार्थ ज्ञानम। तस्मिन् वाक्ये यानि पदानि, in that Mahavakya whatever padas are there, ye cha padarthaha, and what is the meaning of that pada. There is one thing called pada, another thing called padartha. तानि प्रसिद्ध लक्षणा गुण वृत्तिभिः, प्रसिद्ध वृत्ति, लक्षणा वृत्ति and guna vritti. Prasiddha means mukhya vritti, lakshana vritti and guna vritti. By them, tans chaturvidha anvaya vyatirekabhyam. Anvaya vyatireka is of 4 types. So generally this topic is not discussed anywhere, but he is going to discuss in this chapter. And this is referred in Siddhanta Bindu by Madhusudan Saraswati. And then Tikakar has elaborated in Siddhanta Bindu. So those who are studying Siddhanta Bindu also, they will have lot more clarity and depth of this. What are the 4 Anvaya Vyatireka? One is called Drik-Drishya Anvaya Vyatireka. Actually here Anvaya Vyatireka means Anuvritta Vyavritta. In this way you should take. Anuvritti Vyavritti. So Drik-Drishya Anvaya Vyatireka is one. Some places they have called 5 Anvaya Vyatireka. Drik-Drishya Anvaya Vyatireka, Sakshi Sakshya Anvaya Vyatireka. This is number 2. Sakshi Sakshya. Agamapai Tadavadhi अन्वय व्यतिरेक, आगमापाई तदवधि अन्वय व्यतिरेक. दिस इज थर्ड. दुखी परम प्रेमास्पद अन्वय व्यतिरेक. दिस इज फोर्थ. दुखी परम प्रेमास्पद अन्वय व्यतिरेक. And somewhere they say anuvritta vyavritta also. In Siddhanta Bindu, he has given fifth one as anuvritta vyavritta anvaya vyatireko api panchamaha in this way. So when it comes in this chapter, we will see, and the titles are very simple. Drigdrishya you already know, Sakshi Sakshya you already know, Agamapai and Avadhi. Agamapai will be Ghata, Sharava, etc. They are Agamapai. Mrittika is Avadhi. In other words, Karya Karana, Anvaya Vyatireka. Karya comes and goes, Karana remains. And Dukhi Parama Premaspada. Parama Premaspada is Atma. Dukhi is all Anatma. So in Drig Drishya also, Drig is Atma, Drishya is Anatma. Sakshi Sakshya, Sakshi is Atma, Sakshya is Anatma. Agamapai Avadhi, Atma is Avadhi, Jagat is, Anatma is Agamapai. In this way you can do. And then Anuvritta Vyavritta, Atma is Anuvritta, Anuvritta, Jagat is Vyavritta. So Chaturvidha Anvaya Vyatirekabhyam. And Madhusudana Saraswati ji maps these four Anvaya Vyatireka to 4 chapters of Brahma Sutra. Samanvaya, Avirodha, Sadhana and Phala. Anyway, more when it comes in Siddhanta Bindu, you can see. Chaturvidha Anvaya Vyatirekabhyam Abhijanatah eva bhavati. Abhijanatah, the one who knows Padani Padarthani or Padartha. Abhijanatah eva bhavati. Vakyartha Jnanam. Only that person will have Vakyartha Jnanam. Atas tat pratipadako dvitiyo adhyayo asya adhyayasya hetu prasiddha lakshana guna vritti. How will you do samasa vigraha?
प्रसिद्ध वृत्तिश्च लक्षण गुण वृत्तिश्च गुण वृत्तिश्च. तानि प्रसिद्ध लक्षण गुण.
Prasiddhi we should take striling. Prasiddhi cha.
Prasiddhi prasiddha.
Prasiddha cha lakshana cha gunavritti cha.
Vritti is strilinga, so you can say prasiddha cha lakshana. Prasiddha vritti is enough. You don't need to prasiddha. Prasiddha vrittischa lakshana vrittischa guna vrittischa. Or prasiddhascha lakshanacha gunacha. Iti prasiddha lakshana guna.
स्वामीजी प्रसिद्धा च लक्षणा च गुणवृत्तिश्च इति प्रसिद्धलक्षणा गुणवृत्तयः ताभिः प्रसिद्धलक्षणा गुणवृत्तिभिः.
प्रसिद्धा you don't need to do. प्रसिद्धा च लक्षणा च प्रसिद्ध वृत्ति. Actually the word is प्रसिद्ध वृत्ति. द्वंद्वान्ते श्रूयमाणं पदम प्रत्येकेषु अभिसंबध्यते. तो दिस इज द्वंद्व समास इतरेतर. प्रसिद्धा च लक्षणा च गुणा च गुण च इति प्रसिद्ध लक्षणा गुणा. प्रसिद्ध लक्षणा गुणवृत्तय ताभिः प्रसिद्ध लक्षणा गुणवृत्तिभिः. चतुर्विध अन्वय व्यतिरेकौ. I will do समास विग्रह. चतुर्विधौ चतौ अन्वय व्यतिरेकौ च इति चतुर्विध अन्वय व्यतिरेकौ ताभ्याम्. सी फर्दर. द्वितीयो अध्यायो अस्य अध्यायस्य हेतुः. अतो अनन्तरं हेतुमतो अस्य आरम्भ उपपन्न इति भावः. द्वितीय अध्यायो अस्य अध्यायस्य हेतु. Second chapter is hetu. Asya अध्याय. तृतीय अध्याय will be हेतुमत. So what is the sangati? हेतु हेतुमत भाव संगति. Of the six sangati, this is one of them. Hetu hetumad bhava. Asya arambha upapanna iti bhava. Therefore, its arambha is upapanna, justified. Yadva vakyadeva chet tad apanodo vakyameva vachyatam uchyatam kim tatra padartha nirupanena vakshamanena iti tata aha. तत्पद इति. वाक्यादेव चेद अपनोदो. If अज्ञान निवृत्ति will happen through महावाक्य, अजस्य वाक्य, why पदार्थ निरूपणम? वाक्यमेव उच्यताम. किम तत्र पदार्थ निरूपणेन वक्ष्यमाणेन? Why you have to talk about पदार्थ? ततः तत्पद पदार्था विज्ञस्य. Vakyartha jnanam you will not understand. This is why many people they hear aham brahma, tattvamasi or aham brahmasmi, and they go on saying I am Brahman, I am Brahman. But they are so dukhi because they have not understood what is I, what is Brahman. Where is Aikya? So, pada padartha jnanam is required. Evam saprayojanatvad anavagatarthatvacha adhyaya arambham upapaditam upasamharati atayit. Saprayojanatvad anavagatarthatvacha. A vastu whose jignasa, if we have, athato brahma jignasa. For jignasa, two things are required. It should be saprayojana, and it should be, here it is given, anavagatartha, means anadhigata, it is not known. Otherwise it is said, it should be sandigdha.
Ashit.
It should be sandigdha. If you should, only if there is a doubt, you will have desire to know something. If there is no doubt, what is there to know? That which is saprayojana and sandigdha, About that there will be jigyasa. So here it is saprayojana and it is anavagatartha, not already known. Means I don't know something. I don't know that I am Brahma. And therefore adhyaya arambham upapaditam. उपसंहरति अतः अतो वाक्य व्याख्यानाय अध्याय आरभ्यते. चिकीर्षित व्याख्यान प्रयोजन प्रदर्शन परम उत्तर श्लोकम अधिकारी विशेषाकांक्षां पूरयन् अवतारयति. चिकीर्षित व्याख्यान, चिकीर्षा
कर्तुमिच्छा.
कर्तुमिच्छा. चिकीर्षित व्याख्यान प्रयोजन, चिकीर्षितस्य व्याख्यानस्य प्रयोजनं तत्प्रदर्शन परम उत्तर श्लोकम. So the first shloka is revealing the prayojanam of the Vedanta Adhyanam, and that will be the prayojanam of the adhikari. Adhikari Vishesha Akankszam Purayan Avatarayati. So the one who is Adhikari Vishesha will fulfill the Vedanta Prayojanam. Means Vedanta Prayojanam will be accomplished only in that Adhikari Vishesha. तत्र यथोक्तेन प्रकारेण तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्योपनिविष्ट पदपदार्थयोः कृतान्वय व्यतिरेकः. यथोक्तेन प्रकारेण, in the way which is said earlier, discussed. तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्य उपनिविष्ट. उपनिविष्ट means उपसर्ग पूर्वक, नि उपसर्ग पूर्वक. What is the dhatu?
विश् प्रवेशे.
विश्व प्रवेशने निष्ठा प्रत्यय. उपनिविष्ट means the padarthas which are kept in that mahavakya. Upanivishta padarthayoh kritanvaya vyatireka. The anvaya and vyatireka of the pada and padartha, krita anvaya vyatireka, is the adhikari. That is what is said. Adhikari Vishesha Akankszam Purayan Avatarayati. Kritau Anvaya Vyatirekau Yena Saha Kritanvaya Vyatirekaha. Yadana Tattvamasyader ब्रह्मास्मीत्यवगच्छति प्रध्वस्ताहं ममो नैति तदा गीर्मनसोः स्मृतिम्. यदा न तत्त्वमस्यादेर् ब्रह्मास्मीत्यवगच्छति प्रध्वस्ताहं ममो नैति तदा गीर्मनसोः श्रुतिम्. Yada na. What is na?
नृ प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन. नर ना नरौ नरः.
Na narau naraha. Nri is the pratipadika. Yada na tattvamasyader brahmasmi iti avagacchati. Means purush naraha. Yada purusha naraha तत्वमस्यादेः. Tatvamasyadehe, what is the vibhakti?
By Tattvamasi. Panchami.
Tatvamasyadehe. Brahmasmi iti avagacchati. Then pradhvasta hammamo tada गीर मनसोहो श्रुतिम नैति. प्रध्वस्ता हम ममः. हाउ विल यू डू समास विग्रह?
तत्वस्थः अहम मम येन.
अहम मम, you have to do समास between अहम and
अहम च मम च
च इति अहम ममौ.
औ
प्रध्वस्तौ अहम ममौ यस्य सह प्रध्वस्ता हम ममः. The one whose aham and mama are destroyed, that person, the moment he understands Tattvamasyadi Mahavakya, Brahmasmi iti avagacchati. Avagacchati means janati. Tada gir manasoho srutim na eti. Gi means vak. Manaha manovritti. So shabda pratyaya gocharatam na eti. Then he goes beyond speech and mind. Means he knows he is Brahma now. Na purushaha pradhvasta ham mamaha shodhita tattvam padartho bhutva तत्वमस्यादि वाक्याद अहम अस्मि परम ब्रह्म की वाक्यार्थम अवगच्छति. When a person pradhvasta aham mamaha, whose aham and mama are destroyed, and shodhita tattvam padartho bhutva, the one who has done tat padartha tvam padartha shodhanam, tattvamasyaadi vakyat, to tattvamasyaadi mahavakya, aham asmi param brahma iti vakyartham avagacchati. Then he understands, I am param brahma. Tata gir manasor vang manasayoho srutim naiti. No, he does not become vishaya of speech and mind. Means sarva vyavahara atito bhavati. He becomes avyavaharya. Or in the next one he will tell another word for it. So this shloka is clear, I think. Uktam artham kirtayans tad hetutvena uttara shlokam avatarayati. So uktam artham kirtayan, whatever he said earlier, tad hetutvena uttara shlokam. So the next shloka is the hetu for it, the reason why he will become beyond shabda and pratyaya, why he will become avyavaharya. Yadaiva tadartham tvam arthe avaiti tadaiva avakyarthatam pratipadyate gir manasoho srutim na pratipadyate iti kutah etad adhyavasiyate yasmat. Yada eva tadartham tvamarthe avaiti. When he understands tad artha in tvamartha. Tad artha means brahmatva, anandatva, anantatva. When I see those things in me, tvamarthe avaiti, janati. Ava upasargapurvak eti gacchati is for jnanam. So what is aham brahmasmi? I should understand I am ananda, I am ananda, I am jagatkara. Jagat is my vivarta. Tadaeva, at that time alone, he will get avakyarthata. He will become avakyartha, that jnani. He will not remain a meaning of any vakya anymore. Brahma is avakyartha. So now some of these things will be discussed in this chapter. Brahma is avakyartha. That which is vakyartha has like sansarga vakya. So between pada there is sambandha, it's called samsarga. Aham brahmasmi is not a sansarga vakya. It is avakya. Therefore it is called avakya. Avakyarthatam pratipadyate. Gir manasoho sritim na pratipadyate. It does not become vishaya of vani and antakarana vritti. Then Purvapakshi is asking, iti kutaha etad adhyavasyate? How can you do nishchaya that when he is avakyartha, he is avyavaharya? These words about jnani, you might have heard, but you may not have thought of these words enough. For vyavahara, you need shabda and you need pratyaya. If that there is something which is beyond shabda, beyond pratyaya, it is avyavahara. That's why yato vacho nivartante aprapya manasa saha. That is only true for Brahma. So jnani understands, I am that Brahma. Tika. Yasminneva kshane tadartham tatpadasya artham advitiya anandam brahmatvam arthe tvam padasya arthe brahma tvam arthe tvam padasya arthe advitiya anandam brahma. After that you should put space. Tvam arthe means tvam padasya arthe. Buddhyadi sakshini parishodhite avaiti janati. The moment tadartham. What is tadartham? Tat padasya artham. Advitiya anandam brahma. He is able to apply to tvam artha. Me, this is who I am. Tvam padasya arthe. Buddhyadi sakshini parishodhite. Which me, not panchakosha sahit me, panchakosha rahit me. Buddhyadi sakshini parishodhite avaiti janati. This is called tatpada tvampada aikya. Tatvam padayor aikyam pratipadyate. Tadaiva tasminneva kshane. At that moment, desha kala sadhanantara nirapeksham avakyarthatam eda samsarga vakyartha vilakshanam akhandaikarasatam pratipadya sarva vyavaharatito bhavati iti atra ko hetu rityartha. At that moment, at that very moment, desha kala sadhanantara nirapeksham, that which is irrespective of where you are, what time of the day, what sadhana you are doing, nirapeksha. The moment you understand Mahabhakya that, oh, this Brahma means I, Vishodhita Aham. Veda Sansarga Vakyartha, this is Sansarga Vakya. Veda Sansarga Vakyartha Vilakshanam. अखंडैकरसतां प्रतिपद्य. He attains अखंडैकरसतां. सर्व व्यवहारातीतो भवति. He goes beyond all व्यवहार. इति अत्र को हेतु. In that what is the हेतु इत्यर्थः. तत्वमसि वाक्ये तत्पदम विदित्सित प्रकृत अद्वितीय परब्रह्म. अद्वितीय ब्रह्म परम त्वं पदम च उद्दिश्य माने प्रत्यगात्मनि वर्तते. इन तत्वमसि महावाक्य तत्पदम इज विदित्सित प्रकृत अद्वितीय ब्रह्म परम and tatvam padam is uddishyamana. Tvam pada is uddishyamana because it is known. Tat pada is viditsita means vidhiyamana. One is uddeshya, another is vidheya. Pratyagatmani vartate. Tatascha etabhyam dvabhyam अन्योन्य नियम्य नियामकतया अवस्थिताभ्याम. These two are mutually niyamya niyamak. Each one rules or governs the other. Anyonya niyamya niyamaka. Not only that. So, does it mean Jiva also controls Ishvara?
No, Swamiji.
Then, Anyonya niyamya niyamakataya it is given.
Niyamaka Siddhi will happen only as long as Niyamya is there.
It's an
Apekshika with
appearance.
respect to each other.
Hmm?
They are apekshika with respect to each other. Tattva.
Uddeshya and Videya are interchangeable, each one of them, Anyonya.
Read the Vakya properly. It is not talking about Jiva and Ishvara. It is only talking about Pada, not Padartha. Each Pada is controlled by the other Pada. Etabhyam, etabhyam, padabhyam. Tattvam padabhyam, dvabhyam, anyonya niyamak, niyamya niyamak. So, tvam pada cannot have a meaning which contradicts with tatpada. Tatpada cannot have anything which contradicts with tvam pada. Each pada will govern the meaning of the other pada. Viditsita Brahma Bhavadeva Pratyagatmani. So by that, in Pratyagatma, when Viditsita Brahma Bhava is there, then Dukkhitva, Anatmatva cannot exist in Pratyagatma. Because that is Virodhi of Brahma Bhava. And in Brahma, Anatmatva cannot come. Because Anatmatva is Virodhi in Tvam-pada. And Dukkhitva and Parokshatva. Dukkhitva and Parichinnatva. They are not possible in Brahma. So this is how the two padas will govern each other. Brahma bhavad eva pratyagatmani dukkhitvam anatmano bhaditvacha brahmano anatmatvam cha vyavartate. Brahma right now seems as anatma. When I understand Mahavakya, in Brahma anatmatva will go. And in aham, dukkhitva parichinnatva will go. So this is parokshatvam in Brahma, parichinnatvam in Jiva. Both will go away. Then the shloka is there, which we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.